Jamaica Scorpions head coach Andre Coley is expressing optimism that their notorious batting will find consistency when the CWI 4-day championship bowls off on Wednesday morning. Now the Scorpions team could feature a few debutants when they face the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force at the Brian Lara Cricket Stadium. Jermaine Brown reports.
The Jamaica Scorpions' batting woes in the Cricket West Indies Regional 4-Day Championship is well chronicled, with the franchise oftentimes failing to score above 200 runs in either innings. The Scorpions, who have not won the championship since the 2011-2012 season, will be heavily dependent on the runs from West Indies vice-captain Jermaine Blackwood, as well as John Campbell, who will once again skipper the team. But head coach Andre Coley believes with the inclusion of young batsmen Leroy Lugg, former West Indies under-19 representative Kirk McKenzie and Romaine Morris, they will address their inconsistent batting this season. Morris scored the most runs as a wicketkeeper in the recent national trial matches and has been selected ahead of Alden Thomas to partner Campbell atop the order.
We have gone with younger investment at the top of the order to partner John, and we have brought in young wicketkeeper batter Romaine Morris with the intention of strengthening the batting. And the discussions we have had with our senior batters is that if they can replicate or even do better than what they did last year, along with some production from the younger guys who have come into the squad, then we should have more consistency around our batting.
And even with the inclusion of several inexperienced players and the absence of fast bowler O'Shane Thomas, who is currently playing in the Bangladesh Premier League, Coley says they have a balanced squad.
It might be a steep learning curve for one or two of them, but as they learn and try to apply their skills in this first-class setting, then the senior players now have to give them as much support as possible. And with the unit working together, both units, batting and bowling, I am very confident. Well, myself and Andrew are confident that we'll be able to play very good cricket this year.
As for what he expects against the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force team, Coley says that the matchups of the senior and junior players in both teams will be important.
And as they match up to the more senior players and do well, they will more likely gain more experience and more confidence. So yes, the Trinidad team is balanced, and we have always had competitive matches against Trinidad. So we're really looking to start well starting tomorrow.
The match will be played at the Brian Lara Stadium. In other matches, starting on Wednesday, defending champions Barbados Pride will face the Leeward Islands Hurricanes at Kensington Oval, while the newly named Guyana Harpy Eagles face the Windward Islands Volcanoes at the Queen's Park Oval. The competition marks the return of first-class cricket in the region for the first time since March 2020 because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.